It is given that one train is approaching an observer at rest and another is receding him with the same velocity 4 meter per second. Both train blow a whistle of same frequency, that is 243 hertz. The beat frequency in hertz as heard by the observer is, speed of sound is given as nothing but 320 meter per second. So if you are just considering an observer over here, and we can just consider that this train as source. The one source is moving away from this one with a velocity, let's say v, and another train is moving towards the observer with the velocity, take it as v. So we know that as the source is moving away from the observer, the frequency heard by the observer will be less as compared to the actual frequency. Let's say that frequency is represented by n1, and as the source is moving towards the observer will feel a frequency which is greater than the actual frequency. Let's say that frequency is n2. So because of this difference in frequencies, that is n2 minus n1, the observer will be able to hear the beat frequency. Let's say that is equal to nb, and in question it is given that our aim is to find out what about the value of beats frequency over here. So as the source is moving away from the observer, we know the equation for its apparent frequency, c divided by c minus v into n naught minus c divided by c plus v into n naught will get the value of its beats frequency. So we can write as c n naught into 1 divided by c minus v minus 1 divided by c plus v is equal to the beats frequency. So we can write as c n naught into c plus p minus c minus v, which can take as it is 2v divided by c square minus v square is equal to nb. So according to the given question, the velocity of sound, speed of sound is given as 320. So we can take it as it is 320 into the value of n naught is given as 243. So it is 243 into 2 into v, which is velocity is given as nothing but 4 divided by the c square. As compared to the value of c, the value v is very less, so we can approximate that is equal to c square, that is 320 into 320. That will give the value of its apparent frequency. So we can cancel this, and the value of this beats frequencies will be equal to, will be around 6.